Hi everybody. The work from home movement is certainly a very strong investor calling. It has the investors salivating and running to buy property. Because why? Because so many people need to change where they're living for them to be able to work from home. So many people just can't do it themselves. They don't know how to redesign a property to make it work that they can have a work from home space. They don't know how to go through the planning processes and add a wing onto a property, or it's just too much effort. And for investors, this is absolutely fantastic because this market is there to stay. It is not going away. So consider as an investor looking at what you buy differently. Look for homes that maybe need more work. Look for homes that have bigger land. Look for homes that could be split in two. Look for homes that you could really change a garage that is attached to a house and build another garage on and make it a really special work from home space. This adds huge value in today's market. Happy investing.